Hey, Dave Taylor here again, and this time I want to talk about iPad keyboards. So there's two basic choices. There are keyboards like this one. This is the Apple wireless keyboard, and I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see. But it's very nice design. It's thin, it's very light, but it's another thing to carry. So half the value of having an iPad, I think, is trying to minimize all the hassles. So the other possibility is an iPad case like, you ready for this, the big reveal? Like this. So this is the Zagg keyboard, and what it lets you do is it lets you flip your iPad in nice and neat, and now you can type away. Turns out both of these are Bluetooth keyboards, so they both actually work the same way. The difference being that when you hook your Zagg up like this, then you can obviously just close it and you're ready to roll. So let's see. Oh, there we go. Just has to clip, and this is nice and portable, but then the real question becomes, why not just have a laptop? So at this point, this is not much better than actually having a MacBook Air if you're on the Mac side, or having an Ultrabook if you're a PC user. So there's always sort of this inherent tension between having a separate keyboard that you can use with your iPad, or actually just tapping directly on the iPad screen. For me, I mix it up. So there are times when, certainly when it's an informal setting, I will just do tapping and type directly on the iPad keyboard, and that seems to work pretty well for a low amount of volume or a low amount of notes. But if I need more, then sometimes using something like the Apple keyboard works nicely, but then you still have to figure out, how do I prop up the iPad to see what's going on? So in some settings, actually, this Zagg really is a great solution. And for you have to have a look, and I would recommend that you actually go and try these out. So pros and cons, but this is the Zagg keyboard, that's the Apple Bluetooth keyboard, and this is the iPad. And of course, this is Dave Taylor, and I'll see you in my next video.